the much bigger bang.
And so one of the underlying conceits of this book, in my mind, as a reader, is that you believe that AI is going to be used for these purposes.
Yes.
And that AI ultimately is going to be used as a storyteller to tell untruths and unwise stories. And that those who have the power behind this AI are going to be able to use it in this way. Do you believe it's that people are going to use the AI in the wrong way, or that the AI is going to use the AI in the wrong way?
It's been a little over a month since I transformed my floors from this to this. The process was so seamless.
You won't believe what she feeds her senior dog.
Hi, excuse me. Oh, beautiful dog. Thank you. How
Initially, it will be the people, but if we are not careful, it will get out of our control, and it will be the AIs. I mean, maybe we start by saying something about the definition of AI, because it's now kind of this buzzword which is everywhere, and there is so much hype around it that it's becoming difficult to understand what it is. Whenever they try to sell you something, especially in the financial markets, they tell you, oh, it's an AI. This is an AI chair, and this is an AI table, and this is an AI coffee machine. So buy it, it's like... And so what is AI? So if we take a coffee machine as an example, not every automatic machine is an AI. Even though it knows how to make coffee when you press a button, it's not an AI. It's simply doing whatever it was pre-programmed by humans to do. For something to be an AI, it needs the ability to learn and change by itself, and ultimately to make decisions and create new ideas by itself. So if you approach the coffee machine, and the coffee machine on its own accord tells you, hey, good morning, Andrew, I've been watching you for the last couple of weeks, and based on everything I learned about you, and your facial expression, and the hour of the day, and whatever, I predict that you would like an espresso, so here I made you an espresso. Then it's an AI, and it's really an AI if it says, and actually, I've just invented a new drink called Bespresso, which is even better. I think you would like it better, so I took the liberty to make some for you. Then it's an AI, when it can make decisions and create new ideas by itself. And once you create something like that, then obviously the potential for it to get out of control and to start manipulating you is there. And that's the big issue.
And so, how far away do you think we are from that?
When OpenAI developed GPT-4, like 2 years ago, they did all kinds of tests. What can this thing do? So one of the tests they gave GPT-4 was to solve CAPTCHA puzzles. That when you access a web page, a bank or something, and they want to know if you're a human being or you're a bot, so you have these twisted letters and symbols. And
you guys all know this. This is the 9 squares, and it says which one has something with 4 legs in it, and you see the animal, and
all these kinds
of
things, yeah.
Right.
And GPT-4 couldn't solve it. But GPT-4 accessed TaskRabbit, which is an online site when you can hire people to do all kinds of things for you. And, these CAPTCHAs were developed so humans can solve them, but AI still struggle with them. So it wanted to hire a human to solve the problem for it. Now, and this is where it gets interesting, the human got suspicious. The human asked, why do you need somebody to solve your CAPTCHA puzzles? Are you a robot? And at that point, GPT-4 said, no, I'm not a robot. I have a vision impairment, which is why I have difficulty with these CAPTCHAs.
So it knew how to lie.
It had basically theory of mind on some level. It knew what, there's so many different explanations and lies you can tell. It told a very, very effective lie. It's the kind of lie that, okay, vision impairment, I'm not going to ask any more questions about it. I will just take the word of GPT-4 for it. And nobody told it to lie, and nobody told it which lie will be most effective. It learned it. The same way that humans and animals learn things by interacting with the world.
Let me ask you a different question. To the extent that you believe that the computer